Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put on Ford Bronco Soft top, updated. Start by folding rear header and aligning front windshield channel before attaching snaps and clamps, and keep soft top clean and dry to avoid snags. Work methodically from one side to the other, test tension frequently, and tighten fasteners evenly. Use 2 people for heavy lifting and check seals around windows for water tightness and proper alignment. Begin by gathering tools and protective gear, including a T30 bit, silicone spray, and soft cloths, to protect paint and fabric. Remove old hardware if present and clean mounting points thoroughly, inspecting for rust or damage so repairs can be made before installation. Lay out the new top on a clean surface and orient front and rear correctly, then follow the manufacturer sequence to avoid wrinkles and uneven tension. Take breaks to reassess fit as you go. Start by seating the front header into the windshield channel, pressing evenly along its length to engage the clips and prevent gaps. Move rearward, pulling fabric snug and fastening side snaps intermittently to maintain even tension, then secure tailgate bar and center straps per instructions. Adjust latches and check window zippers for smooth operation, trimming excess slack only if manufacturer permits, and always test road noise and leak points.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.